Hi guys, and welcome or welcome back on my YouTube channel where I talk about self-publishing with Amazon KDP and where I want to help you to earn money online. Before we jump right into the income report of December 2023, I wish you all the best for this year, for 2024. I hope that all your dreams, all your goals for the next year come true, and I wish you a big success in your online business. As I mentioned, there is one last income report left for the last year, my December income report for my Amazon KDP business. Before we start with the video, I'm very interested in your results. How was December for you? How many sales did you make and how many royalties did you make in the last month? I'm very excited in your comments, in your results. And now let us don't waste any more time and jump right into my December income report. If you like the content on my video, make sure to hit the subscribe button. And as I mentioned, leave a comment down below of your results from your December income. Right now, we are at my Amazon KDP overview dashboard. As you can see, I was able to sell 1,853 books during December 2023. And I'm very, very pleased with this result because it's the highest month so far in my online business history. And I'm honest to you guys, I did not expect that much orders. As you can see, one of the highest periods through December were from the 18th of December until the 20th of December, where I was able to sell over 100 units, 100 paperbacks during the single days. After Christmas, after the Christmas days, there's not so much traffic on Amazon and the print destinations of Amazon are closed. There's not so much going on after the Christmas holidays. And now the most important thing, I'm very pleased to give you insights of my royalties, of my December royalties from Amazon KDP business. And let me show you how much money I made. As you can see, it's a huge amount of money that I've made during the last month. As you can see, I was able to earn $11,864 in a single month. And I had days, 18th of December, 19th of December, where I was able to make $800 at a single day. Absolutely crazy how high the amount of money was. And I'm so pleased and very interested in your results. So make sure to write a comment down below. Of course, $11,000 are not pure profit. We have to subtract the costs of advertising to get the profit of the last month. So right now we are on my Amazon KDP advertising dashboard for the German marketplace. As you can see, I spent 4,496 euros for advertising during the last month. It's a little bit high because there's so much traffic on Amazon, and if you have a good book or good books, a good book portfolio, it's absolutely clear that there are a ton of people who are clicking on your products, and this is the reason why my costs of advertising are this high. As you can see, I made 574 orders through ads with an average ACOS of 55%. So for high content books, I'm thinking that is a good amount of ACOS, a good average of ACOS. It could be a little bit lower, but I launched a new book, so it's completely okay that the costs of advertising are this high. The next marketplace, it's Amazon.com. As you can see, I'm no longer running ads through this marketplace, so there's no sales, no ACOS, only an ad spend of $13. The next marketplace is Amazon.fr. It's my second strongest marketplace with cost of advertising of 879 euros with an average ACOS of almost 40%. The results are very good because I make a lot of profit on the French marketplace, and I can absolutely recommend it to you guys to try different marketplaces out. the last marketplace, it's Amazon.es, the Spanish marketplace. On the Spanish marketplace, my ad spend was almost 100 euros, average ACoS 51%. It's a little bit high, but I don't really care about the Spanish marketplace because I have only one high content book on this marketplace, and I'm just looking for making a decent amount of sales, and I'm happy with this result. The last thing is I started Facebook advertising during December, and for Facebook ads, I have an ad spend of 750 euros. The performance was really, really good. I did not expect that the performance would be that great. And the most important things for Facebook ads, price per click is very, very low, something between 18 and 25 cents per click. If we compare this to Amazon advertising, I have campaigns where I have a click price, for example, of €1 per click. So this brings me to the question, how much profit did I make for December? We had royalties of almost $12,000, so around about 10,700 euros. If we subtract the cost of advertising, 6,200 euros, it leaves me with a very, very nice profit of 4,500 euros for the last month, December 2023. As I mentioned, I'm very interested in your results, so make sure to write a comment down below. Did you make any sales? How high was your profit? How high were your royalties? Then there's nothing more about to say. I wish you all the best, a great start in 2024, and we will see you in the next video.